In this video, we are going to solve this interesting math equation. We have 16 power x minus 4 power x is equal to 56. We can write 16 as 4 square times x minus 4 power x equals 56. Now we substitute 4 power x is a. So this equation can be written as 4 power x is equal to a. So this equation can be written as a square minus a equals 56. Shifting this to this side, we can write a square minus a minus 56 equals 0. A square, to factorize that this equation, we write a as in the form of minus 8a plus 7a minus 56 equals 0. Now take a common from these two terms, so we can write this as a times a minus 8 plus taking 7 common from these two terms, so this will become 7 times a minus 8 equals 0. Now we take common this from this side, so this becomes a minus 8 times a plus 7 equals 0, and implies that a minus 8 equals 0 or a plus 7 equals 0. From here we have a equals 8 and here we have a equals 7, but we have 4 power x equals a, so substitution 4 power x instead of a is equal to 8 and 4 power x equals minus 7. This case is impossible because we cannot have exponential equations equals to a negative number, and from here we take log on both sides. Log of 4 power x equals log of 8. This equal to x times log of 4 equals log of 8. Dividing both sides by log of 4, we get x equals log of 8 divided by log of 4, which is equal to log of 8 to the base 4.